Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you pool owners out there. If you want to extend your pool season and enjoy warmer water without the hefty energy bills, you're in the right place. Introducing the SunHeater S120U Universal Solar Pool Heater, the best solar pool heater available in the market. With this fantastic device, you can harness the power of the sun to keep your pool water warm and comfortable, all while saving money and reducing your carbon footprint. Let's dive into the details of this incredible solar pool heater. First off, it's incredibly easy to install, whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool. You can mount it on your roof, a rack, the ground, or even a fence, giving you the flexibility you need for your unique setup. What sets the SunHeater S120U apart is its patented web design, which maximizes exposure to the sun's rays. This means it can efficiently capture and convert sunlight into heat for your pool. And the best part? It uses your existing pool pump, so there's no need for additional energy consumption. Installation is a breeze, but please note that additional kits or plumbing may be required depending on your pool setup. So, how much of a difference can the SunHeater make? It can raise your pool water temperature by a substantial 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine jumping into your pool and enjoying that perfect warmth. It's like having your private oasis right in your backyard. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what actual users have to say. As you can see, many satisfied customers have experienced the benefits of the SunHeater S120U firsthand. Now, let's talk about the price. The SunHeater S120U Universal Solar Pool Heater typically retails for $118.61. But right now, you can get it at a fantastic discounted price of just $103.03 on Amazon. And if you're worried about shipping and import fees, it's available with reasonable shipping fees and a deposit for our friends in India. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that your purchase is backed by Amazon's return policy. You have until January 31, 2024, to return it if you're not completely satisfied. But wait, there's more. If you want to enhance your pool experience, check out these related products that customers often buy together with the SunHeater S120U. From pool clamps to hose adapters, there are options to suit your needs. So, in summary, the SunHeater S120U Universal Solar Pool Heater is a game-changer for pool owners. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, providing you with warm pool water whenever you desire. That's it for today's review of the SunHeater S120U Universal Solar Pool Heater. If you're ready to enjoy extended pool seasons and save on energy costs, click the link below to get yours now. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.